What is up everybody, my name is Gifford and welcome to another stock market video. Today we're going to be talking about NIO stock and how they're proposing to issue 75 million new shares, and that has caused the stock to drop a bit at the moment, but this is on the back of a good week where they've run up to all-time highs of hitting almost $20.50 a share. I'm also going to be talking about Tesla and the all-time highs coming up to their stock split, the Sharesies platform which gives us access to the US markets, which means we're going to be able to buy fractional shares for a lot cheaper here in New Zealand, and lastly a story about rookie investors who have lost money because they thought they were investing in Lucid Motors but they were investing in the wrong stock. So format of the video, we're going to have a quick look at the portfolio. Part 1 is the NIO news with a stock dilution which has caused a sell-off today. Part 2, Sharesies access to the US markets. Part 3, Tesla news and the run up to the stock split. And Part 4, the rookie mistake in Lucid Motors. And quick reminder to hit that like button as a new channel. It really helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it, and feel free to subscribe if you're interested in investing. With that said, let's get on with the video. So looking at the portfolio totals, we can see for the first time I'm up by over $2,000 and the current total is $13,398. I'm also currently doing a rebalance in my portfolio so I can put more money into Sharesies. And if you've been a previous viewer of mine, you'll know that these are the biggest gains I've ever had since I've started investing at the start of the year. So it's been a very good week for me. So right here, as of today, on the 27th of August, we can see that they're proposing to offer 75 million shares, which means that they're going to be diluting the existing shares, which naturally causes the stock to drop, which is what's happening right now. So what does this mean for NIO holders? So let's have a read here on stock dilution. Dilution occurs when a company issues new stock, which results in a decrease of existing stockholders' ownership percentage of the company. But for long term, it's actually good because if they can use this money productively and raise the capital, they can then put it back into the business, which hopefully later on will make the business grow. Having a look at the stock price, we can actually see that the last 7 days have been really good for NIO. We can see that they've jumped up by 45%. And right here we can see an all-time high of $20.47, even though the sell-off is occurring. So why did the price jump up by over 40% on the stock? Basically, the analysts upgraded their price target for NIO, which caused it to rise. Right here, NIO stock gets an upgrade and a 1,500% price target increase. And here in this article, Morgan Stanley upgraded their price target from $12 to $20.50 per share, which caused it to skyrocket up. So right here in my Hatch account, I'm just going to leave it in US. We can see the total returns is $1,411. So NIO and Tesla are my biggest positions, and we can see my cost average for NIO is $13.71 and Tesla at $1,595. And currently both are up by over 40%, which makes it a great week. And this seriously makes me happy because in investing, I've never actually got this high before. If you've seen my earlier videos, I was actually down for quite a lot, and only since this week I've actually managed to get over $500 in profit. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm not going to be selling anytime soon. I'm just going to have a look at how the market reacts. So going into part 2, Sharesies, the trading platform, is now allowing us to buy stocks in the US markets. So I'll be doing videos on this in the future as I treat my Sharesies account as my itchy fingers account. Because I like trading, I'll be buying and selling fractional shares of companies here and there. But general investing advice is not to buy and sell. It should really be buying and holding if you believe in that company, to let the time do its work and let the company grow in value. So typically in New Zealand, if you want to buy shares that are less than $600, Sharesies is going to be your cheaper option. Anything above that, you want to go with Hatch. I don't use Stake, so I don't really know about that, but there are YouTube videos for Stake if you're interested. So part 3, we can see here that Tesla has an all-time high of $2,295. As my second holding, I'm pretty excited about that, and this is why I've got such good returns this week. It's hard to imagine that under 20 days ago, the stock has run up so much from the price of just being under $1,400 because of the stock split news. And if I had the money, I would have loved to buy more at these prices. So don't take this as stock advice, but when people ask me if they should buy it, I'm really in two minds because I bought at all-time highs and this thing just keeps on going and going. So who am I to say not to buy at these prices? But I am expecting still a pullback to happen shortly. In part 4, I just want to share the story with you guys where rookie investors just like myself have bought the wrong company and it's caused them to lose money. So this here was brought to my attention in a public forum where right here, Lucid Motors is another EV company. So they have this car here for sale, which you can put a deposit down. And right here, we can see that the rookie investors have mistaken the wrong ticker symbol. The ticker symbol here is LCDX. And in a matter of a week, we see the stock running up to 145%. And after realizing this is not the car company, there has been a massive sell-off and a drop in 85% of the stock price. And right here at Simply Wall Street, we can see that it's an imaging and diagnostics medical company, ticker symbol LCDX. And basically with the hype of IPOs and EV stocks at the moment, people have just bought into the wrong company. And right here in Wikipedia, which is free, we can see that Lucid Motors is actually a private company. Therefore, you can't buy shares off them. So I'm just telling you this so that you don't make these basic mistakes, because it can really cost you some serious money. So for the people that have watched this far, we're just going to celebrate a little. And I bought this gun here from AliExpress, which is a money gun, which has fake notes in it. So enough of that. It's just good to really see that the stock trading is starting to actually work out, and I'm getting some real gains by putting in some hard work of looking into these companies. And again, this is not stock advice, so do your own due diligence and make sure that you invest in companies that you feel are right for you and align with your values. With that said, thank you for watching. Safe investing. May the gains be with you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.